Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Ford Escape, stock number 7220. It's from the 9th 2016 to the 5th 2020. There's a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a ZG 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left door mirror. Left front door has wobbles, good private. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door 3 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sound stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.